Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Mike. I'm the founder of hexmarket.com. We are the world's first NFT marketplace that allows you to mint NFT art and attach your HSIs or your HEX stakes to your NFT art. So it's something extremely unique in the space and for the HEX community. This is designed for Pulse Chain, but we are currently launched on Ethereum mainnet. So we are live. You can now mint NFT art and attach your HSIs on Hedron. I'm going to show you in this video how to do that. So without further ado, I'm going to connect my wallet. We're going to click on Create Art. So before I continue, full disclaimer, I've created another video. It didn't work. So I ended up, I'm not going to actually mint the art because I already did with the wine tasting, which I'll show you in a second. But I'll go ahead and show you the same process. So you click on Create Art, you choose your image. Let's see here, so you click there. This should pop up. This is the one I used before. You can then put a name, the royalty or the artist fee. The minimum needs to be 0.1, but it could be anything above that. Lock period. If you want to add collateral, but you don't want to remove it because you want to protect yourself against yourself or delay gratification, you can put in a lock period where you can only add collateral, but you can't remove it until the lock period expires. I would recommend this more for ERC or PRC 20s, right? So if we launch Poly, I know Poly with Maximus DAO is launching soon, and this might be a good use case where you want to protect yourself from having lettuce hands. So you might say, hey, I want to be able to remove my Poly tokens from my NFT art in 1 year. And then from here, you can add the description. This is a little hack here, but if you need more space, you could just drag the bottom right here and it expands. Then you click on Create Art. MetaMask should pop up. And once again, I'm not going to confirm it because I've already minted this art. So I'm going to reject it. And then what happens, the next screen after that, as you can see, I own this NFT art because I have all these different options down below. You can list for sale, send the NFT, burn art, add assets, or remove the assets, basically. So I'm going to click on Add Assets. It's going to ask me which kind, ERC20 or NFTs. I'm going to choose NFTs. You can either embed your other NFT art pieces. So I created a couple, or I can choose the HSI on the bottom right there. And notice I don't have any because I've already attached mine. But ultimately, it would be the same user experience where you check it and then you hit Combine Art. And then MetaMask would pop up. And ultimately, you can see this is an actual HSI that is attached to this art piece. So if I move this beautiful piece of art, either I sell it on the marketplace or I transfer it to another wallet or I gift it to a friend, this HSI is associated with that and will stay with it for the lifetime of this NFT art piece, which is pretty cool. And of course, you can click on that and get a whole breakdown as to what it is. So anyways, guys, that's how you do it. Maybe a couple other of cool, let's see. So you can list it for sale, send it. You can remove the art. So in this case, there's no lock period, so I can remove it without incurring a 0.369 ETH penalty. And really, the fun part about this, let's see, you can upvote and downvote. So let's say I like this piece right here, Patience, it's called. And as you can see, they have a few HSIs attached. So I can upvote that. If I click on it, it gives you the accumulation. So if we scroll down, you'll see that this is actually, it looks like a staking ladder. Yeah, so what's cool about this is that you can actually combine a bunch of these HSIs. So like, let's say that I wanted to sell this art piece, or let's say I owned it, wanted to sell it. I could theoretically put it on the marketplace and I'm effectively selling a staking ladder that is all in one go. And the accumulation of it is around $4,000. And then, of course, you can click on individual ones, learn more about it. So you can see this has a bonus multiplier of 7 with Hedron, so that might be lucrative. So pretty cool. And once again, guys, this NFT art, wherever it goes, any collateral that's associated with it will move with it. And that's it, guys. There you have it. If you have any questions, let me know. This is live. We just launched a few hours ago. We truly think this is revolutionary. I don't recall seeing any other project within the Richard Heart ecosystem that's working on an NFT marketplace that specifically is focused around HEX stakes, nor do I see the ability for you to be able to mint your own NFT art and then attach HSIs or HEX stakes to it. I think that's pretty revolutionary as well, or at least it's unique to the space. And once again, we are excited once Pulse Chain comes out. One final note, if you are an NFT artist, but you don't necessarily have collateral that you want to add to your NFT art, I would still recommend minting art and putting it up on the marketplace, because there might be hexagons, myself included, that I'm not an artist, right? This is the best work of art that I got here. It's a picture of myself drinking wine. So I'm looking to acquire real art and attach my HSIs to some art that I can really appreciate. So by all means, if you're an NFT artist, you can still go on, mint, and ultimately be able to sell it, and other hexagons or individuals within the Richard Heart ecosystem can buy that or acquire it and then stake their own. And then, of course, you could add your own artist fee during that initial mint. And by doing so, any future sales, similar to OpenSea or a lot of these other NFT marketplaces, you get a royalty based off that. So food for thought. Anyways, guys, comment down below your thoughts. We're super stoked, and we will talk to you soon. Take care.